Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today, the game is adjectives. The game will start easy and then it will get more difficult for all levels. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. That tree is not short. It is tall. It is tall. We use tall for trees, buildings, and people. This adjective we use 2 ways. Her new jacket looks fashionable, stylish. The weather is a little. This means it's not hot. Cool. It has 2 meanings. One is fashionable and one is kind of cold. Their child is very. This means bright, smart. Intelligent. Their child is very intelligent. Jennifer's mother is a teacher at a. This means a school in the area, nearby, not far away. Local. She's a teacher at a local school. That country is a country. This means it's not fighting in a war against anyone, and it's not on anybody's side. Neutral. It's a neutral country. Why are they scared? Equals. Why are they? Slowly. Frightened. Quickly. Frightened. She wrote a very novel about her dreams. This means very strange, odd, peculiar, hard to follow. Obscure. It was a very obscure novel. He never talks about topics. This means touchy. These topics always tend to make people fight and argue also. Controversial. He never talks about controversial topics. The president said that there will be changes next year. This means very big and very important and complete. Sweeping. There will be sweeping changes next year. It comes from the verb to sweep, but when we use it like this, it's an adjective. This one has a bonus question, an extra question. The investors are. They think the market will fall. They aren't. Bearish. Bullish. Bye-bye.